next, we're going to play what's inside the box. But here we have this Ositos container and we're going to see what's inside in it. Alright, I'll start, Timmy, okay? I'll start. Shake, 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 Ositos. Shake, 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 Ositos. Okay. No, I'll start first. And you are going to tell me what's in it. I'm touching. I feel soft item. Very soft item. Do you want to feel it? What do you think is this?
It's makeup.
This is for makeup. Will your mama use this one to erase the makeup?
Yeah.
It starts with what item is this? Cotton. Cotton.
Ball.
Cotton ball. All right. Next, Timmy. Don't look. What's inside? What do you call that one?
It's actually it's a battery.
A battery. Starts with letter B.
Mama, do you remember? I know how to draw. I know how to see my ABCs when I was a baby.
Okay, but right now you're eating. Go back to your table. Next, Timmy, look. What else is inside this container? It's round. Timmy, what do you call this one?
A tap from water game. Oh, I know what that is, Mom. It's a tap from the
The
water
water
bottle.
table starts with or a lid, right? What? Okay. Show it. Last item is a die. What is this used for?
We're playing a game.
Yeah, we can use this one for playing a game. So we have 4 items. We have a die, we have a lid or a cap, and we have a cotton ball.
And well, the flower.
We don't have it. Alright, Freaky Friends, and this is what we call what's inside the box. You can use a box, you can use a container to play this game. Bye!
Mama.